ScriptRunner for Jira Cloud's enhanced search feature allows users to search for Jira issues by providing advanced JQL functions that Jira doesn't natively have. The additional keywords enhanced search provides can be found on the JQL keywords and functions page located in ScriptRunner's product documentation. You can also use these keywords in regular Jira queries once they have been synchronized by your Jira administrator. Let's say that Jamal from Great Adventure needs to create a filter that shows closed issues with subtasks that are still open. He wouldn't be able to do this with Jira's native search feature because the subtasks of JQL function is only available in enhanced search. To use ScriptRunner's enhanced search feature, Jamal must access it directly from the app's dropdown by selecting ScriptRunner Enhanced Search. If Jamal knows the JQL he wishes to use, he can write it from scratch in the search box, just like he would for Jira's native advanced search. To add the enhanced functions, click the plus sign next to the search bar within the advanced search app. The Insert pop-up box lists the available functions on the left and the subquery information appears on the right. For Jamal's example, select the subtasks off function. Since Jamal wants the subtask from closed issues, he enters resolution equals done into the subquery box. Click the Add to Query button. This returns all subtasks from issues that have been marked as done. Jamal then adds additional helpers to narrow the list down further. The helper function changes the list to show subtasks with a status of in progress or to do. When finished, Jamal clicks Search to update the results section. Enhanced searches can be saved as filters the same way as native searches, but the way they are shared is different. To ensure that others can view and use the filter, you must first make it shareable. Click the Save as Filter button. Name the filter. Click the Sync Filter toggle. Click the Share with All checkbox or choose specific projects or groups to share the filter with. Then click the Save button. The filter is now available for anyone in the organization to use. Without sharing with all, the filter cannot be used in Jira on Agile boards or dashboards. Once you share a filter, you can also reference it in other apps. It's important to note that other users can't see shared filters they didn't create on the enhanced search page. Only filters they've created appear there, but they can access them from the View All Filters page. You can find enhanced search filters available to you in the same place as native search filters by locating them in the Filters drop-down tab. You can also access the filter by going to Enhanced Search under the app's drop-down menu. To edit a filter, you must do so from the Enhanced Search page. Even though it's possible to make edits from the View All Filters page, you shouldn't use this method because changes will be lost when the query is resynchronized. While ScriptRunner's enhanced search provides users with additional functions, there are limitations to the cloud version that may not be present in the data center version. And some data center functions do not currently exist in cloud. To view the differences between functions in cloud and data center, you can review them in the product documentation and feature parity page.